Hi, welcome to heaven.
I opened the door, and the world felt larger somehow. Snow melting softly into the mountains, green hills breathing beneath the sky. Clouds drifted lazily above the valleys, and the cold wind carried a silence so deep. It quieted every thought in me. For a moment, nothing mattered except what was right in front of my eyes. And maybe that's the tragedy of life. How often we rush past beauty without even truly seeing it. It was all waiting patiently for someone to finally stop, breathe, and notice.